Whether you're creating a presentation for school or work or just want to share your amazing gameplay on YouTube or Twitch, we'll do our best to help you find the best free screen recorder that will meet your needs. Coming up in this top 5, I'll count down the best free screen recording software to capture high-quality footage, but no time limits or nasty watermarks, going over the pros and cons of each. Let's get started. Starting off our countdown at number 5. It's making its first appearance ever on our channel as debut video capture. Not only can it record any portion of your screen, you can also record what is on external devices as well, like your webcam and security cameras. Some of its main features include the ability to upload your videos directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or Flickr. Your recordings can be saved in the popular formats including MP4, AVI, MPG, and others. And if you're doing a tutorial, mouse highlighting is included to spotlight your cursor. Other features include webcam overlay to record your screen and webcam at the same time. And captions can also be added to your finished recordings with their built-in text editor. The interface is somewhat outdated, but intuitive enough to easily figure out how to use. We've already done beginner tutorials for some of the programs coming up. Debut Video Capture is available for both Windows and Mac OS. They also offer a paid version for commercial use, so you have to be careful which link you click on. With most of the features included, look for the link near the top of the page below. Get it free, where it says download the free version here. And in number 4 is the open source ShareX, only available for Windows. Not only is it one of our favorite programs for taking screenshots, their screen recorder is excellent for capturing video on your screen. With one exception, it does not capture games or other programs in full screen. But on the positive side, if you're running older hardware or have low system specs, it's light on system resources you're recording. Some screen captures can also be uploaded directly to dozens of sites including YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. As I mentioned earlier, ShareX is available for Windows only. In addition to downloading it from their side, it's now available in the Microsoft Store. Jumping to spots in our last video, ScreenRec comes in at number 3. It's improved quite a bit and it's lightweight on system resources. Like the others in our top 5, there are no watermarks, but you do have to be signed into the program to have no time limits. Otherwise, if not logged in, they do impose a 5-minute time limit. It's easy to use and allows for the capturing of your screen and webcam at the same time. Recordings are automatically saved to an encrypted cloud account to easily share with others, but for free the storage limit is 2 GB unless you upgrade. If you choose, you can also save those recordings to your computer in the MP4 format. They also promise no lag with frame rates and can HD up to 120 frames per second. Videos and other resources are available on their site that will teach you how to use it, including a quick start guide. At this time, ScreenRec's available for Windows, Linux, and coming soon to macOS. Before we get to our top 2, here's some bonus picks that you might want to check out. iSpring free cameras, an easy-to-use recorder for Windows only, full of features that requires you to enter your email address to download it. Some of its features include the ability to highlight your mouse cursor and upload videos directly to YouTube. It also includes a built-in audio and video editor to remove any parts of your recording that you don't want. But the video quality limit is maxed out at 720p. Apowersoft free online screen recorder is a web-based app that can be used on any operating system in most browsers. It supports the exporting of videos in MP4, AVI, MPEG, and others. It's great for recording anything on your screen, but it's no good for games. Can use the browser-based version completely free. Simply click Start Recording. It'll require the first time you use it to download their launcher. Otherwise, select the download app as their desktop version. I will only give you a limited trial of their premium product. In a close second, FlashBack Express takes the runner-up spot. This easy-to-use program for Windows only is great for beginners just starting out. If you have issues with lag or having difficulty setting up our number 1 pick, you should try this one out first, even though it's a free version of a premium product. There are no watermarks or time limits. All you're basically missing is their video editing suite, video effects, and the ability to add text, images, and sounds, all of which can be done in a separate video editor. On a side note, BlackBerry Software, the makers of FlashBack Express, has another program intended for serious gamers that's also simple to use called FBX. It's feature-packed but for free, does have a watermark. To get rid of the watermark, it might be worthwhile for you to upgrade to their Pro plan at just $19 per year. Yeah, it's not free, so it's not in our top 5, but though for those of you is worth mentioning. Taking the top spot, coming in at number 1, OBS Studio is the best free screen recording software with no time limits or watermarks. It's what we use for majority of our videos, including this one. And it's highly popular with other creatives on YouTube, Twitch, and other video services. This open source program is full of features that puts most paid programs to shame with various mixing options. And its settings can be configured, whether you're recording or streaming, to make it your own. There, Multiview lets you manage 8 different scenes at a time, and if you plan to stream, their studio mode gives you a preview of your footage before it goes live. If why OBS Studio is a beast, should have at least 4 GB of RAM with at least a dual-core processor to run it without any lag. It's available for all 3 of the major platforms: Windows, Linux, and macOS. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comments which screen recorder you plan to use and why. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our newest top 5s and other tech-related stuff here on Zain's Tech.